Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Switch. These things are the best ever, okay? I just bought them and really, they are so soft inside, so warm. Best things ever. Boo! Me and my plaid. A really good love story during winter. Everything that can make me warmer, really, I'm gonna take it. I see you. No. Boo. Hello. Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan Season 1, Episode 21. I think that I'm gonna keep what I just said in intro. As you can understand, we are really into the winter right now. Like, I'm really like that. It's really grey outside. I'm sorry if because of that the lights, are changing a lot. I'm gonna try my best to deal with it. And I just bought, that's it, one thing, one light, one ring light, in case of it's beginning to be too dark, so you can still see my face at the end. I was getting tired of finishing my binge watchings like it was the case for the last episode of Arcane or stuff like that, with my yellow light, which is really awful, which is really not helping also with the focus, like the quality is not the same, so I was really getting tired of it, so I bought something for it. What? No. Oh! Yes. Oh, I just had the confirmation of an appointment for me, like really just for me. To have a massage. It's really something that I'm waiting to do like since 5 or 6 months, something like that. Since the last time that I did a massage like that, each time I was like, oh, I need to do it one more, like maybe you can give it to yourself as a gift. You're gonna feel that you need it and all. And since the last weeks, with all of the work that I had on my personal life, but also for this channel, with all of the videos that I edited for La Casa de Papel, for The Witcher, for The Expanse, for The Wheel of Time, for Arcane when the show were out, and still, even if these shows were out, these videos, I had to make them, to be right on time for you guys and all. Still, I was working also on my binge watching of Death Note, Attack on Titan and The Legend of Korra, so you guys, you would not have to wait, an entire week without having a new episode of these shows. So it was a lot of work, and each time, at the end of the day, when at midnight I was still working on the videos, I was telling to myself, girl, keep it going. At some point, you're gonna get to it, you're gonna work, that's gonna work, you can do it, and at the end of everything, you're gonna buy yourself something. A massage! 1 hour! That's gonna be awesome. Stop, let's talk about Attack on Titan. I have so many things to talk about. Today I'm gonna watch 2 or 3 episodes, maybe more 2, I think. I don't think that I'm gonna have the time to watch more than 2, because I'm gonna go to a concert tonight. Since Mrs. COVID intervened into our lives, I didn't go to any concert, and really, I miss that a lot. And tonight, that's gonna be my first concert since 2 years now. Mrs. COVID took us everything. Okay, Attack on Titan. I need to shut up about my personal life. Attack on Titan, the female Titan. We don't have the female Titan anymore, but we have the person who created that female Titan. For me, she's a woman. I really think that she's a woman. Okay, right now she's dressed, as someone from the Recon Corps, because it's easier to get out of that situation wearing that costume and all, but for me she was wearing it before because she was a part of the Recon Corps. Is she really a part of the Recon Corps, or was she acting like she was, you know, to pass the walls? Because she had to pass the walls at some point, like she was inside and she get out of that town, you know, of that area with the Recon Corps. So for me she's a woman. She was with the Recon Corps. I knew it, I guessed it right before they showed us her uniform and stuff like that. She knows all of those things, you know, with the lights, like, you know, green, red and stuff like that. So maybe she's really a part of the Recon Corps, in fact. And she doesn't want to do anything bad to Armin. She was listening to him, she was watching at him like that. My guess for now, she's Armin's mother, because we know that his parents died, but I can't remember if we had an explanation about it at some point. And because of that, I can guess that maybe she's involved into that organization that I think which exists. This organization who created the old Titans, you know, the stupid ones, and maybe now also the clever ones. Maybe there are the clever ones, in fact, you know, members of this organization. Dr. Yeager was a part of that organization. That's why he did that to his son, because he could, you know, he knew how to do that. But he was against what this organization was doing. So he wanted his son to save them all. So that female Titan can be Armin's mother because of that. Someone else, I really don't know, like... That person maybe was the one to kill the Titans that they were studying. I think that it was more than one person who killed them, these two Titans. I don't know why. I'm feeling like more than one person. But maybe that woman was involved. Right there, she wants to continue her mission to catch Eren. I really think that it's something more like to catch him than to kill him. I don't know why I have this feeling. Because she was after him, you know, like as a Titan, she was ready to do anything for that, to kill people into the Recon Corps, except for Armin. And you know, the fact that she killed herself as a Titan, it's making me wonder about how trained that female Titan was, that person is. She was going on a mission, but it was not like Eren, you know, like only focused on that. No. She could do other things than her mission, like watching at Armin like that, listening to Armin, and when she understood that she couldn't do her mission, she switched and she let the Titans eat her. No, first she caught the Titans, the stupid ones, so they can eat her. To be able to do that, you know, to be able to run like that for so long without being exhausted, to do her mission, but not only her mission, you know, that objective that she has, and also to give up on her mission like that at the end. To be able to do all of that as a Titan, the person inside, she has to be really well trained for a long time. And that way also I think that it may be more someone like Armin's mother, you know, someone of that age, than someone into the Recon Corps right now, someone that we know, a friend of Eren or something like that. I really don't think so. That woman, she's not gonna give up on her mission, and Erwin, he understood that. He didn't say it clearly on screen, but because of what he ordered to Levi, we understood that they're gonna go after that woman who is going after Eren, and they know it, you know, how it's happening right now. That's why they say to everyone, retreat, so they can bluff, you know, with that girl. And her, she used that flashlight, you know, that green flashlight, to tell to Eren's group to go into that direction. They just guessed right now that it was not Levi. So really, I'm gonna begin this episode into the action. Are we gonna discover during this episode who is the girl, who is that person? For me, it's really a girl. Who is that person? I think so. We're gonna fight with that person, at least. We have to be careful because she can change herself into a female Titan again, just right there. If it's the case, she's gonna fight with Eren? Eren as a Titan and me? During the editing, you know, I already edited the last episode, and during the editing I was really careful about who was where during that moment. When the female Titan was blocked like that, you know, because of Erwin, because of his plan and all of that, I was really being careful about who was where at this moment, you know, all of the members of this group, of course Mikasa, of course Armin, Jan, but also all of them, you know, Sasha, Krista. I really tried my best to be like, okay, if you're there it means that you're not the female Titan, not you, not you, not you. I was really like that, and for now I don't have any suspicion on them, on the persons that we already know. I mean, I hope that I'm not wrong. I don't know why I would be a little disappointed if it's someone that we already know. If it's Armin's mother, it's fitting with my theory. It would confirm even my theory, in fact, and I would be really glad. If it's someone that we know, I would be really surprised by his intentions, but also by the fact that I didn't understand it, you know, during the editing, even if I was so careful about it. And if it's someone else, you know, then someone we know or someone that I supposed, I would be like, who are you? What do you want? Like, really? From where you're coming from? I want to hear your story. Okay, I'm gonna end this intro. It was a mess, this intro. You know, when I'm finishing an intro or a review, I know if it was a mess or not. This intro was a mess, I'm sorry for that. Remember that if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. For Attack on Titan, it's 2 episodes of advance that we have. For Death Note, it's 1 episode of advance. For The Legend of Korra, it's 4 episodes of advance, if you can be interested by that. And with a full or an extended action part, for the last episode, for example, I put the full action part. All of what happened during it, I had to put the full action part. Okay, let's go for this episode. 2 or 3 episodes today, that's gonna be really cool. To get out of this situation alive.
戦闘服さえなくなってたし。女型の巨人は叫び声で巨人を引き寄せる能力を持っていた。
She just gave up on her mission, like,
その力において、
it's insane how trained she is.
考えるのは間違い。あの敵を出し抜く。発想を飛躍させる必要がある。だとすると、今頃あの女型巨人の中にいた人間の正体が分かったかも。
Someone you know, I mean.
内門を破ろうともしないし。 エレンが扉を塞ぐ時も放っておいた。それどころではなくなったってことじゃないだろうか。
Eren? His existence?
巨人化か。それ以外にないと思う。あの場所でエレンの巨人化を見ていた者の誰。
I said it. They know that Eren can transform. I don't think that that person won't kill him. Catch him, I think. This person, if I'm right, they're gonna want to interrogate him. Oh. Yes, I think also. Right now already? One of you? Trust them, Eren.
私たちのことがそんなに信じられないの？そうして戦わなければ人類は勝てない。我が班の勝利を信じてます。ごめんの。
Come on! I'm almost like they're gonna die, and at the same time I'm like, yeah, Levi squad, they can do it. Her eyes! Oh, the good call! So clever, guys! Ah, hey, hey, hey. She's well trained. That's so good! Okay, so clever! Is it gonna regenerate? Strong, clever, so fast. They know each other, they trust each other.
だから軍太さんを失った直後でもあんなに強い。振り返らずにみんなを信じて進めばきっとそれが正解なんだ。自分の力を信じても信頼に出る仲間の選択を信じても結果は誰にもわからなかった。
I thought that the arm would come back, but the eye also. No. No! I was wrong to think that you would die. I was wrong.
なぜだライバーは通らねえ。
Oh, wow. The three of them for real? No, they're just hurt.
こいつは
I mean, fucking denial. Okay, you transform with that mission in mind.
まさか
They really all died? The three of them? I thought they would die, and after that you really made me think that they were so good to make them die after that. Do you want to fight him or not? You know, to kill him or not? My theory is that you want to catch, not to kill. She doesn't fight. She's avoiding the fight. Levi, you can see it. Levi. Something that I love about him is how much he cares about his soldiers. For you to see that. No emotion, like I'm already. I can cry for most of us.
俺が仲間を信じたいと思ったからみんな死んだ。
Just them.
俺が最初から自分を信じて戦っていれば
No.
最初から
Why not the second eye already?
巨人になっていれば
I'm confused about that female titan intentions right now. She's avoiding the fight with you. I think that I'm right.
絶対に
She wants to catch you, not to kill you.
やりかけられ
He lets you the choice, but for me you did the right thing, Eren. It's awful to say it, but
死んだ俺のせいで
no. It's the fault of that female titan, not you.
お前が悪い。引きちぎってやる。この手が治ったら我が許していくか。
Why do I think that you're not gonna do it? The second eye. Now she's gonna fight? No, still avoiding. She's avoiding. Can't you notice it, Eren? Ah, right, that okay, she fought. And with a strong... You wanted to run, but your mission is him. What? fucking way. She wants to catch Eren, she doesn't care about. To catch him, not to kill him, to catch him, not to kill him. To catch him, not to kill him. She's taking him, not hurt inside. It's the best way to transport him. He's not dead. To catch him, not to kill him. Mikasa. Mikasa! Ah! I'm sorry. I was like, come on girl. Sing fast. Does she know you and care about you like for Armin? You're good, Mikasa. Really, I would go for the... So she's gonna stop and Archie can come. Yes, he is. Can you transform himself inside? Like he did with the stupid tiger? Okay, she doesn't care about you, autant. Armin's mother, she knew you? Hello. Yes. It's not. It's not. You're not gonna have me with that again. I still don't know what the nut thing means at the end, just so you know. Oh! Okay, we're gonna have a storm right there. I didn't pay attention. Can you hear the wind? I think that you can. She didn't want to fight you. She didn't want to fight you. She was avoiding the fight. And she was trying to run away, but she stopped because she remembered her mission, which is to capture you, not to kill you. I want to say that I said it before. You're gonna tell me that I'm pretty annoying to repeat it each time, but I guessed it right. I'm so proud of myself, you know, when I'm guessing something right, even more with this show. That female titan was with the Recon Corps since a long time. That's why she knew about Eren, the fact that he can transform. That's why she crossed the walls, you know. She get out of that town with the Recon Corps. She knew everything about that mission. She knows also about the flashlights, you know, all of that code. She knows Armin. That's why she doesn't kill him. She looked at him like that. She was listening to him. She doesn't care about the other Recon Corps. She killed them. Right there, she didn't care about Mikasa neither. So for me, really, that person is related to Armin. Armin's mother. Oh, it's really dark. Oh, you have to hear that. I'm gonna put my ring light that I just bought. I need you to stand there. Can you not move, please? Oh, I think that it does the job. No? Oh, it's cool. Okay. Like, my intro was a mess. This review is gonna be a mess also. It's not my fault. I'm blaming the storm for that. Female Titan with the Recon Corps since a long time, involved into the death of the two other Titans that we were studying. That's why she crossed the walls with us. That's why she knows about Eren, about that mission, all of the codes with the flashlights. She knows Armin, only Armin. She doesn't know Mikasa, she doesn't care about Mikasa, she doesn't care about all of the other Recon Corps. Armin is important. She's Armin's mother, because I can't remember how they died, his parents. It's fitting with my theory about an organization which created these stupid and clever titans, who are maybe the clever titans, Dr. Yeager was involved into that organization, he did that to Eren because of that, you have all of my theory about that. Armin's parents are involved into that, it would fit because it would be like they were into that group and they were forced to get out of the town, you know, because they discovered how to make clever titans, how to be maybe clever titans, and they wanted time to train to go further with this mission, something like that. That's my theory. Right there, she didn't want to kill Eren, but to catch him. I think that they don't want to kill him. See, I say they don't want to kill him because they're gonna want to question him, to understand how it can be, you know, for him to be a titan, to be able to do that. Which means that Dr. Yeager didn't tell them, or they don't have Dr. Yeager with them anymore. Not at all. I think that it's because of the fact that they have questions for him. I don't know. I can see that far, you know, I can't do things like that. Really, without my new ring, you couldn't see me at all, right there. It's really the storm outside. She managed to capture you, that female titan. Again, not to kill you, you are inside. The last time that you were inside of a titan like that, Eren, you transformed yourself into it and you destroyed that titan in which you were. Can it be possible that you would do the same right there? Like, do you have enough energy? Erwin said something interesting and important, the fact that they can't think that all of the clever titans are like Eren, because Eren is a novice, you know, as a soldier, but also as a titan, so of course he doesn't know to do stuff like all of the other clever titans can already do and had entire years to train to do it. I'm saying it since episode now, that female titan is fucking well trained. She can run for hours without being exhausted. She has one mission to do, but she's not just focused on that like Eren is. She can do other stuff like listening to Armin, taking that moment with Armin. She can give up on her mission by herself. She can change her mind. She can do something else while she was doing her mission, like it was the case when she decided to cause the stupid titans to be eaten, like it's the case right there when she decided to not fight, but in fact she remembered her first mission, which is to capture Eren, so she cut his head just like that to have the time to take him out. Entire years to train. That's why it would fit more, you know, with a theory of someone into the Recon Corps, which is not someone, you know, one of Eren's friends. They are too young for that, to have this entire years to train like that. But I mean, I'm glad that you noticed all of that. People at the time to train to be these clever titans, you guessed it, so you're gonna understand that since years people are preparing something like... I'm really counting on Erwin to have the solution of all of that, you know, maybe to be the first one to understand all of that. Levi discovering all of his soldiers dead like that, all of his friends also, like, it's what made me love him first, you know, how he was acting with his soldiers. Again, that scene with him reassuring his soldier without noticing, you know, the blood and all of that. We know that he's a control freak about cleaning. He didn't care, he just wanted to be there for his soldier. And later he did other things for his soldiers, like when that thing happened with Eren, who transformed himself when the other ones, they didn't want to. Like, his first question, it was for Eren, are you okay? Are you feeling okay? I love it so much. So for him to see all of them dead like that, you're blaming yourself, Eren, but Levi is gonna blame himself. And you're both wrong. None of you have, you know, to blame yourself like, this female titan killed them. You don't have to blame yourself. You followed the plan, you followed what was supposed to happen, and you were right to do so. Eren to listen to persons who are older than you and who knows stuff better than you, and if you would have intervened, you would have failed earlier, like right there you failed, my dear. You don't know enough, you're not trained enough as a Titan. And Levi, you followed the plan. You couldn't know that you were telling all of this plan to the Titan, to the female Titan, that she was really listening to you and that she would switch her plan listening to yours. You couldn't know. That was a fucking great episode. A lot of actions. I'm gonna watch 1 or 2 more episodes. I think it's gonna be more 1 episode today. It's gonna be great already. Okay, so it's all for you for today and it's all for you for now. So bye for now. Bye. Such a mess. Such a mess. And I didn't even drink my tea.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.